Guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, how you doing? Please subscribe. I would totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? So I'm out here in my garage. I'm keeping my vegetables out here because let me tell you, keeping the onions in the house smells like a deli, but out here in the garage, holy cow. Yeah, it stinks. But anyway, I've had these onions out here since about, I want to say 10 o'clock last night. So I just wanted to show you. This is what they look like after being in water since like, what, about a little over 12 hours. So just getting some of the regrowing going here. Got to moisten up these roots here. And the carrots, they already had this new growth here. So I wanted to get these going here. I have carrots inside that have been in a bowl for 2 weeks, and I have pictures of those, and I'll put those at the end of the video, okay? And here we have some turnips. So they were on the flip side like this all night, so I just decided to turn them over to get some growth going. And I don't know if you can see, but right here we already have a little bit of green going. Can you see it? Am I focused? So I just wanted to show you that this is what I'm doing. This is the new project. We got turnips going, okay? So this is it for right now. I'm going to be going out into the garden a little bit later. It's a little too hot right now. It's only like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and with the feel like temperature and the humidity, it feels like it's like 100 and something degrees out right now. Not having it. Not having it at all. People, when I tell you, just stepping outside, you break out into a sweat. So I'm going to wait until like 6 o'clock, and then I'll go out into the garden and do my thing. Anyway, oh, you know what? I'll bring you over to the herb garden real quick because these guys have to be replanted. Everybody real quick say hi to Prince. He hangs around because of all the water. Say hi, Prince. Anyway, so this is the herb garden. Look at how crazy it's getting over here. So these guys are obviously, they are outgrowing their pots over here. So we're going to have to transfer. But look at the lavender. Look at how beautiful. I mean, my goodness gracious, yes. So we're going to have to do a transfer. And the oregano is just insane. And this is vining like crazy. So we're going to have to get like one of those tomato cages like we have out in the vegetable garden out back. And look at how tall the basil is getting. Look at that. It's over a foot tall. And this cilantro, I mean, look, we've already got, look at the flowers on the cilantro. Look at it. That's getting ready to spread. So when we put that out in the garden, that's just going to spread like wildfire. We're going to have cilantro all over the place. And I'm cool with that. Seriously. So anyway, this is the herb garden. Get a wide view. Wow. All right. Bye, Prince. We're going back inside. Bye, Prince. All right, guys. And real quick, look at my citronella. Look at how insane. This was literally, I want to say, a quarter of the size when I first planted this thing. This is going to have to be transferred as well because it's outgrown. It's outgrown the pot. And the pot is fairly large. I don't know if you can see how big that pot is. It's going to have to be transferred. It's going to have to be transferred into the ground. But I'd like to keep it out front. Mosquito control, you know. So, but I think we're going to get more citronella. Put it out back on the patio, you know, because especially down here in Florida, when it rains, oh my God, when I tell you, the mosquitoes. Holy cow, the mosquitoes. So I'd like to go get more citronella and, you know, put it out back on the patio. Because we can't even sit out back. I mean, because that's how bad it is out there, especially after it rains. So I'm going to probably be doing that sometime this week. But yeah, my citronella, it's insane. It's growing like crazy. So I don't know if I want to put the citronella in the ground though. Because, you know, evil landscapers. So, and then just my landscaping alone, guys. Could you just die? I mean, seriously. And then look at my viburnums. My viburnums are insane. Oh, real quick, hang on. I haven't shown you this in a while. Look at my grapevine. It is actually clinging onto my fence now. Hi, how are ya? But yeah, look at how crazy she got. Guys, we're gonna have grapes. Anyway, all right. Well, this is the end of this video for right now. Unless I can think of something else to put on here. But I don't know. Feeling kind of cute. Might add something later, but who knows? You never know with me. All right, have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.